I'm Aaron Chang. This morning I'm at Torrey Pines. This is one of my favorite places in San Diego. It's so interesting that in the middle of a big city like San Diego, this gem can exist. It's one of the most tranquil and beautiful places you can hang out. There's an incredible coastline with beautiful, beautiful waves. You know, the stones on the beach are really unique. The pine trees here grow only 2 places in the world. My latest release is a shot of the bridge at Torrey